The benefits of mint tea are: improves digestion. Mentha species help alleviate gastrointestinal disorders. It relaxes the stomach muscles and even aids in the digestion of fats. The minty flavor also helps to reduce appetite and that urge to eat a sweetie out of time. Relieves irritable bowel syndrome. Its regular consumption can help treat symptoms such as pain, bloating, gas, and so on. Action against colds and flu. Menthol is a great decongestant and expectorant, helping to reduce sore throat and dry cough. Friend of oral health. It is not just because of its irresistible freshness that mint is an ingredient in many oral products. It not only neutralizes bad breath but also fights bacteria that cause cavities. Antiseptic action. Hinders the growth of bacteria in the digestive tract. It has a tranquilizing effect, helping to reduce symptoms of stress, anxiety, and agitation. Relief from headaches, thanks to its vasodilating power, capable of activating circulation and reducing pain. Tea is a natural diuretic drink. Peppermint tea is caffeine-free. The main benefits of tea are to improve the health of the digestive system, help relieve muscle pain, and reduce